Hi, this is Lara for Elliott Wave Stock Market with your twice weekly Apple analysis. This is done on, it's now Tuesday 25th of June after Monday the 24th is closed. I'm recording this video 10 to 2 in the morning New York time on Tuesday the 25th New York time. My daily chart remains the same and we got more downwards movement as expected. My short-term target price fell $5.68 short of that short-term target from the last analysis as price moved lower to end the middle of a third wave possibly. Although I would expect to see stronger momentum than what we've seen so far for the middle of minor wave 3 within intermediate 3 within primary 3. This is possible. We may see a further increase in momentum as we move on downwards. Expect any surprises for Apple to be to the downside. My long-term target still probably months away at 272. Primary wave 3 will reach 1.618, the length of primary wave 1. Let's have a look at what's happening on the hourly chart, where the start of minor 3 will be just off to the left of the chart. Just off to the left of the chart it starts. Within it we've got minute 1 is complete, minute 2 is complete here, and a third wave is unfolding with minuet 1 and 2 complete and minuet 3 incomplete. Within it we have sub-minuet 1, 2, 3 and 4 now probably complete because it's reached up to the upper edge of this narrow channel that I've drawn here from 1 to 3 with a copy on 2 perfectly shows us where the fourth wave may have ended, finding resistance there. If it is over here, then the fifth wave will reach equality in length with the first wave at 390, just $2 above that. Minuet wave 3 in its entirety will reach 2.618, the length of minuet wave 1. Within this third wave, sub-minuet wave 3 is close to 2.618, the length of sub-minuet wave 1, so we may not see a Fibonacci ratio for the fifth wave and either the first or third, so I'd favour the upper end of this small target zone for the next downwards movement to be met before my next analysis at the end of this week. If this little fourth wave correction isn't over and moves higher, I wouldn't expect it to move much higher or take much longer, but if it does, the invalidation point has to remain up here for now. It can't move into sub-minuet wave 1 price territory above 433.32. It's most likely it's over here and we're going to see more downwards movement for the next day or so. When minuet wave 3 is complete, redraw the channel around this downwards movement from the end of 1 to wherever the third wave has ended, and then place a parallel copy on the high of the second wave. Such a channel should better contain all this downwards movement, and look out for the following fourth wave correction at minuet degree to find resistance at the upper edge of such a channel. The invalidation point will just be slightly different. It'll be the low of minuet wave 1 here. That fourth wave correction may take a day, maybe 2 days or so, but not too much longer in duration than the counterpart second wave, unless it turns out to be a very time-consuming triangle or combination, and then it could be a bit longer lasting. That's all from me with your Apple analysis, and I hope that everybody had a fabulous weekend.